Hi there. Today we're going to do a little bit different video, and that's what's my EDC, what's my everyday carry. Um, so we will, I guess we'll start with my phone, which I'm filming on right now. It's at the time an S10 Galaxy. Love it, works great. That just sits in my phone holder, which sits on my left-hand hip. Oops. In my left-hand pocket, I carry a knife. This one happens to be the 1557, I believe, Kershaw. Yep, 1557. And I can't remember the exact name of this. It'll come to me. But, you know what? That's a knife I carry a lot. Sometimes I'll carry a different knife. No. Sometimes I'll be... It's always a Kershaw. Use Kershaw. I love Kershaw. Great warranty. Decently priced. We'll go into that a little bit. Carry my wallet. We've all seen what's in a wallet. I usually have a little bit of change and some junk in that pocket. In my left shirt pocket, pen, prefer stainless steel pens. This one's a Zebra F701. Fisher space pens are also good. I just like them out body, I don't break them. Screwdriver of some kind, pocket screwdriver. This one's made by Snap-on. That's part number is right there. Looks like 5DD204. I also have a max set up here. We'll do a video on those one day. Tire pressure gauge. I don't know why, I've always carried it always well. Permanent marker of some kind. This one's a Milwaukee Inksol. Love these. My Streamlight Stylus Pro. And let me turn you guys back level. And a magnet. Unless I wrapped with the carbon fiber wrap, because I don't know why. This one's okay, it's not super powerful. I think this one's made by Craftsman, maybe. Carrying my keys. Try not to show the bitting on the key, because, you know, keys can be copied through photos. On my keyring, I keep photo tweezers, pulling out slivers. That happens when I'd like to admit. And nail clipper. The way I carry them is a nowadays locking, or what used to be locking, S-beaner with a big O-ring and a clip that goes on my belt. Then my keys sit in my pocket and they're not rattling around. Okay, this is on my left hip now. Oh, I don't know why you guys are following. The tripod's not cooperating, so. My left side, I carry my Leatherman Wave. Carried it for years. Best multi-tool ever, in my opinion. That sits in a leather holder. And in a belt loop, I carry my Streamlight Stinger. This is good when I'm, you know, working on something, or, you know, anytime I need to be super casual, because if I'm wearing my work clothes. If I need to be casual, most of the stuff I don't carry. I'll carry pretty much the stuff here, and for a light that sits next to my keys when I'm going to be casual. This is a Extra WK50. The pocket clips off a different light that I broke or something and kept the clip off of. And this is actually a single AA light, but I put a 14500 cell in, which makes it just blindingly bright. And of course you can dim it down. That's pretty much it on my front belt loop. I will carry my facility ID on this key back. Not showing you my ID, but key back. C-Man USA, great product. And that's about it for my everyday carry. You know, sometimes I'll have a couple other things that end up in my pocket, but this is pretty much just stuff that's in my pocket every day, day in, day out. You know. And if I don't have one of these things, I kind of feel lost without it. So, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.